Ever wondered how to film yourself and make your videos look cinematic? In today's video, I will show you secret tricks to elevate your self-filming game and easily achieve that cinematic look. You'll learn great tips for recording and editing videos, transforming ordinary clips into stunning cinematic masterpieces. I'll also introduce you to the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI, a smartphone gimbal with incredible stabilization, design and features that will blow your mind. As I share my tricks, I will showcase its features and how they can help you create professional looking videos with your phone. With AI tracking, it feels like someone else is filming you, and the fantastic battery lets you enjoy recording for hours. Stay tuned until the end to discover the secrets professionals use to create cinematic videos and how you can do it too with your phone. So, let's dive into the tricks. First, choose a great location with interesting backgrounds to make your shots more visually appealing. I chose the forest located in my hometown because I think it's an ideal location for filming the tricks that I will show you in this video. The natural scenery adds a cinematic touch to every shot. Next, make sure to set your phone's camera to the highest resolution and frame rate available. I've chosen 4K at 60 fps. This tip will be useful because later I'll show you how to transform those clips into smooth slow motion videos using CapCut along with the best export settings to achieve that cinematic look. Here is the next trick for your videos. Record lots of A-roll and B-roll to have plenty of footage for editing. Capture environmental scenes to show your location or create interesting walking shots. The stabilization of the Smooth 5S AI helps me with that, and mods like Vortex make shooting easy and fun. Plus, the tripod is perfect for low-angle shots. Try experimenting with different shooting angles and capturing your surroundings, where platforms like Pinterest can offer great inspiration. Now, let's move on to more useful tricks that I'm sure you will find valuable. Shooting wide and medium close-up scenes is highly effective, and combining them during editing significantly enhances the overall look of your videos. The AI tracker on the Smooth 5S AI has made it easier for me to record videos on my own thanks to its intelligent gesture controls. Its 3-axis structure ensures smooth videos, while its built-in and magnetic field lights brighten dark scenes, ensuring your footage look great even in low light. The next trick is natural framing. It's all about using elements like trees to naturally frame your subject, instantly giving your videos a cinematic look. You can use doorways, windows or architecture for similar effects. Before I reveal the editing tricks in CapCut that will give your videos a cinematic touch, a huge thanks to Zhiyun for sending me the Smooth 5S AI. It's been a huge help in creating these videos. With AI tracking, a full key control panel like high-end cameras, and mods that really enhance every video. Plus, it's ideal for those who enjoy creating vlogs. Check out the link in the description to learn more or purchase one for yourself. Now, I'm going to show you some useful editing tricks that will make your videos look cinematic. Let's begin with a tutorial on how to blur a video background. Open CapCut, click on Create Project and then import your video. Before editing, my video looks like this. The method I'm showing you today works best on videos shot with a tripod. Add your video to the timeline, then in the player click on these 3 lines and export the still frame. The next step is to go to your browser and type Photo Room. Select the Remove Unwanted Objects and then click on Select a picture and upload the picture you exported. Adjust the brush according to your preference, then carefully drag over the subject you want to remove. Wait for the process to complete and then you can download the image. Let's return to CapCut now to continue editing. Now import the image you edited in Photo Room. The next step is to move your video up in the timeline. After that, add the image you've imported to the main timeline track and align it with your video. Now click on your video and then in the Video tab select Remove Background option. Click on Auto Removal and wait for the process to complete. The next step is to go to the Effects tab and in the Lens sub-tab find the Blur effect. Now drag the blur effect to the background image. On the right side you can adjust the blur intensity. After editing, my video looks like this. Now you will learn how to add fog effects to make your videos more visually appealing. Before editing, my video looks like this. Add it to the timeline, then go to the stock materials and find white background. Add it as overlay, then right click and choose freeze option. Now remove the video you don't need and then align the image with the main video. Now go to the mask option and select the mask you like. You can select a circle mask and move this arrow to get a fog effect. Position it as you like. I prefer the horizontal mask, so I will use it for this video. After setting it, go to the Basic tab and reduce the opacity to make the fog look natural in the video. Adjust it according to your preference, then go to the Device tab on the left side. Now add the original video as overlay. After that, go to the Remove Background option on the right side. Click on Auto Removal and wait for the process to complete. After editing, my video looks like this. Now I'm going to show you a simple trick to add a fade effect to your videos. Click on your video and then go to the Adjustment tab on the right side of the screen. Scroll down to find the fade effect, then adjust it according to your preference. It will make any video look cinematic, especially darker videos. Here you can compare the before and after. Next, we will dive into achieving cinematic aspect ratio and the best export settings. Before editing, my video looks like this. First, add your video to the timeline. After that, click on the ratio button and then select this format. Now, enlarge your video to fit the background and then position it according to your preference. If you upload videos with this aspect ratio to YouTube, they'll automatically have cinematic black bars on your screen. You can also slow down the videos to enhance their look. Don't forget to activate the smooth slow motion option for a better result. Now I will show you the export settings. Use the highest resolution and 24 fps for a cinematic look, because 24 fps is the standard frame rate for film and gives your videos that classic smooth motion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one.